welcome to my channel. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. This time it's sneakers and I'm super excited about these because they had small sizes for the first time, and yeah, I'm super excited to have these for myself. But let's look at these. So these are the Adidas and Pharrel Williams collaboration. They released 3 colors for this round and they were pretty colorful, the 2, and then the other one, the third one was black. And I initially only wanted to get this black pair. Ta-da! Because I thought that I would get the most use of these, and I probably will use these more than the other ones that I got. And I only got 2 because one of them wasn't my favorite, or I didn't like it that much. But yeah. So here are the black ones. So these are black with white text, and then they have this dark purple detailing, and they have other laces which are black. And these also have this hiking bottom, which I didn't know this one would have. But yeah, I really like these, and yay! Then the second pair that I got, I wasn't gonna get these first because I thought these were too colorful for my wardrobe, but then I saw these and these were super cool, and the more I look at these, the more I like these. And these are the pinker ones. I really like these. These are super cool. They have like this minty color here, but it's mostly like pinkish or different tones of pink. And yeah, these have purple laces, and then they have white laces here. And the third pair was more of like green, and then it had also purples, and yeah, but they had like peach laces. The other laces were green, and the peach laces looked really nice. But yeah, I didn't want to get them all 3 because these and the greener pair, they're really similar, so I wouldn't get that much use out of them. So that's why I only got these 2. And I got these from Beam Hill. It's a store in Helsinki which sell these, and I was lucky enough to get these. They didn't have that much of a line, and since I don't think Finland has that many girls that like to wear these type of shoes, so then they had small sizes still left. So I'm super happy. I got these in a size 5, which was the smallest size for the colorful pairs, and for the black pair they did have a 4.5, I think. But yeah, these are 37 1/4, which are the normal size that I get for Adidas. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that this pink pair, it says special, and I don't really know what it says on this shoe. And this other shoe says equal. I'm guessing they say the same in both shoes, but I'm not sure. And these, I forgot to say, these retail for 260 euros at least at the store that I bought these, but I think at adidas.com and other websites they were 250. So they had like in store, they were more expensive to buy from store than from online, and these are pretty expensive shoes, but these are really comfortable to wear. And I think these are they fit a bit bigger than most Adidas shoes, and especially Yeezys. Even though I have the same size, I don't have a problem wearing the same, or they're not big, but they have more space than, for example, Yeezys, which I have in the same size. But yeah, super happy about these, and this was all I have to say. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!